Right, Darn Army, a fun more anthem for the Euros. This is what's going to take the Euros back to Scotland. Bailed on England to play for Scotland, Scott McTominay. England's lost cause we've got McSauce, so Scott McTominay. Wahoo! Scott McTominay. Scott McTominay. Sacks Vitali, he can strike a ball, oh Scott McTominay. The boy can play big and wrecked on your tail, Scott McTominay. Wahoo! Scott McTominay. Scott McTominay. He's at the back, he fills up the cracks, so Scott McTominay. He's box to box and he's strong as an ox, so Scott McTominay. Wahoo! Scott McTominay. Scott McTominay. Finds them out, he gets whacked and a boot, oh Scott McTominay. He finds them out, he'll get whacked and a boot, oh Scott McTominay. Wahoo! Scott McTominay. Scott McTominay. A bony face, he's better than Messi, Scott McTominay. I wanted him to snog my bit, instead I got Pogba, Scott McTominay. Wahoo! Scott McTominay. Scott McTominay. Scott McTominay. Scott McTominay. Nailed it.